Hello, and welcome to Shuup video tutorial. Today, we will talk about Shuup's integration with Mailchimp. Mailchimp is an all-in-one marketing platform that helps you manage and talk to your clients, customers, and other interested parties. It's very easy and fast to send large email campaigns through Mailchimp and track the campaign's success. Shuup's Mailchimp integration uses version 3 API to send emails into Mailchimp. It's sending your marketplace's contacts to Mailchimp, so you needn't put them there manually. To complete your integration, you need your Mailchimp API Key and list ID. Let's start with our API keys. We are now logged in our Mailchimp account. To find the API keys, we need to go to Account, Extras, API Keys, and we generate an API key. Copy it, you will need it for your Shuup marketplace. Now, list or audience ID. Within Mailchimp, you can have different list IDs or audience IDs that integrations may require to connect and transfer subscriber data. To find your audience ID, you need to go to Audience, Manage Audience, and Settings. There is our audience ID. Now, back to Shuup. Here we go to Settings, Mailchimp, and insert your API key and list ID here. Thank you for watching this video. If you need more information, you can contact us at contact@shuup.com. If you're an existing customer, reach out to your project manager. Visit our website shuup.com or find us on social media. Check out our social media links in the description of the video below.